Yo YouTube, what's the deal? Good morning to you guys. Hope you guys enjoying the content. But as you guys can see, man, we got some new content today. We got my guy Jalen right here. Yep. Be sure to go check him out. I'll be leaving his Instagram and everything else at the side of the video, so be sure to go check him out. But as you guys can see, he just pulled off in a new Camaro LT1. Now, if you're not too sure what the LT1s is, basically the SS is just like a little downgraded package. But the plus side with this is you get a little more speed because once again, you don't got the leather seats and all of that good stuff. But as you guys can tell, man, got the same color as my guy Tone SS. Color looks crazy. What year is this?
2021.
2021. Woo! My guy's going crazy. I believe that 2021s are illegal in California, so big step for getting one of these, man. Big shout out to my guy once again. Yeah. Came from a V6 Charger, so how's it?
Man, it's a big upgrade, man. Same payments and everything, so it was worth the deal.
Yeah, so as you guys can see, man, my guy is coming from a big upgrade. We got to go to RTB today, so make sure big mom's coming soon for my guy. You know we got to go crazy with this, but we're going to be heading up to RTB a little later on. But I got a little surprise for you guys. If you guys read the title, you pretty much already know what that is. Now, the car is a little dirty, so don't judge me right now. But man, before I show you guys, let's just take a look at the car one more time. As you guys can see, we got the VMS wheels with the big old fat Mickey Thompsons on there. Now, as you guys can see, these Mickey Thompsons really are dying out, so I'm gonna have to get a new pair of those real soon. Just got them, but you know, a lot of Mexico racing is gonna eat up them tires. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open this trunk for you guys. I don't want to keep you guys held up too long on this content, but sheesh, man. Drop a sheesh down in the comments for me, man. Y'all see what's going on. I had to do it for you guys. I know you guys been waiting for me to go get some headers. Now, I did go with some used headers just because I found them for a right price. Now, I did get these headers for $450 used. If you ask me, not too bad of a price. They're just some fucking metal. So now I am gonna let you guys know in the next video what headers I end up going with. Be sure to stay tuned for the video. Also, if you made it this far, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, my guy. Don't forget to do those 3 things for me. If you want me to bring out some more banger content for you guys, I'm trying to get everything done that you guys want to see done to the car, because like I said, once again, this car would not be getting built if it wasn't for you guys. It would just be on some little cosmetic type shit. Now, I did ask you guys if you rather see some performance or some cosmetic mods, and a lot of you guys were saying you want to see some performance mods, so we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting pretty tired of looking at this dirty ass car, so we might go get a wash right now. So let's go ahead and get something cracking. All right, so we're gonna have my guy Jalen go ahead and start the car up and give you guys some revs so you guys can see how this is sounding. This car is pretty much stock, as you guys can see. He just bought the car, but let's go ahead and get into it.
Yeah, you need some exhaust work.
Yeah. All right, so as you guys can see, that's pretty much it for the stock revs and everything. We do got to go get some exhaust work done. The car's not really too much loud right now, so hope you guys enjoy the rest of this content. We'll probably head to RTB right now and we catch you guys when we get there. Yo guys, so as you guys can see, we just made it back up here to RTB exhaust. So if you guys are wondering why we're up here, we're finna go get some exhaust work done for my guy Jalen. I don't know if his car is in there or not yet. Can you see it in there, baby? You guys can see we got the long tube headers in the trunk, 1 7/8 inches. Now we are getting these put on Sunday, so be sure to stay tuned for this video. It's gonna be a whole separate video. So once again, make sure y'all are subscribed to the channel to see all this good stuff. But hey, all right, so we got a couple of nice cars up here. You see we got the big 5.0, big Chrysler, big Camaro, big RT, and all that good stuff. All these nice ass cars. We got a scat pack right here. Sheesh, yo bitch probably in here. You can't even see what's in there. Make sure y'all go check them out right there. Y'all see we got my guy Jalen Camaro on the rack now, man. It's going crazy. As you guys can see, he is going in with the muffler delete. Now this should give the car a lot more aggressive sounding, so hey, we're gonna see what that sounds like when we get back. All right, guys, as you guys can see, we here at the E station now. Gotta get some good gas, but as you guys can see, the floor is wet. Won't be getting no exhaust clips just yet. I'm trying to see what's a good time to do this because I don't want to do anything with the floor wet. As you guys can see, I'm on a drag setup, so I shouldn't even really be driving the car, so I might just go get my daily for right now and continue with the rest of the day, but I'm gonna hit you guys back. All right, guys, so we're heading up to Team C right now. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically like a part shop. So if you want to get some parts for your car, like some performance parts, of course, then you can just go up there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have most of the things that you need for like most boat ones and all that type of shit. Finna head up there, go get some manifold gaskets. Now I do need this because the headers might be warped a little bit, and I just want to be sure. So I'll just make sure I got some new gasket, and we should be all good to go for tomorrow. So headers should be going on tomorrow. So make sure y'all are tuned in for the channel to see that video. All right, so the floor is pretty much dried up, so we're gonna go ahead and give you guys some pulls really quick. Don't want to kill my tires off too much. I might have a little low dollar coming up real soon, so y'all gonna have to make sure y'all stay tuned for that video too, because I'm dropping all bangers from now on. I'm gonna try to give y'all guys some good ass content, but hold on, I just gotta do one more pull. Let's get one more pull in. All right, guys, so we just made it here up to Team C. Now we gotta go in there. I forgot who I'm supposed to ask for, but we can just see when we get in there. So I'll catch you guys when we get in there. All right, so we just left Team C right now. Got the manifold gasket that we needed for the headers. So hopefully we should be good to go now. Now I think that the headers had a little tiny warp in them. So the extra thick layers, as you guys can see, should help with the leaks, so the car won't leak anything to the exhaust. But let's go ahead and get into the rest of the video. So we're finna go ahead to RTB exhaust. Hopefully we did pick up the right gasket seals, but as you guys can see right now, damn,